never claimed to be a smart man, because you know sometimes when you're putting things like this clutch together, I've never done in my life. This really awesome McLeod, whatever, RST twin disc. You know, it's fancier than anything I've ever done in my life besides this build. Sometimes you miss step one, and you don't put the pilot bearing in. You know, and you build your clutch, you mate the transmission to the engine, and you're like, what's in this box? So you look up the part number, and you're like, what's that even mean? You know, and then you're like, damn. So you take it all apart, you put that part in, you get back to putting your fancy clutch back on, and you'll buy yourself a dowel. So you're not fighting your transmission for 3 hours like a friend I know, not me, you know, definitely not me. But yeah, that's what we're back to. We're about to put transmission back on the engine for, God, the 4th time in 3 days. Yeah, so we're getting there. Not college, but we're getting places. That's right. As per usual fashion, the guy cannot seem to win. Yeah, that hits the cross member, so we're gonna be just bringing that all the way up to here, zing, and bring it back down there, and lose a little bit of oil volume. But you know what? Hoping I'll sit just right afterwards. There we have it. Brand new Moroso Coyote swap oil pan to test fit to see if it works with the Crown Vic cross member. Fingers crossed, because God, I don't have to modify this one or try to find someone else that makes one. Oof. Oh man, look at that. That fancy new oil pan. There is so much room. Look at that. Got room for days in there. Man, that thing is pretty. I can see it from the back here, but try to get in here and show you guys what kind of room I got. Nope, not gonna happen. Look at that. And look at that, room for days. And that Moroso oil pan was absolutely perfect for this. I wasn't sure, but man, it goes right in nice and easy. So much room. Oh, it's just beautiful. Makes the guy feel good. He's actually doing progress, getting things done. Fortunately, still waiting on all my parts for doing the brakes. And get this put in the semi-trailer out back. Toss on the fancy intake. It will damn near be done. Oh, finally back. So, I wasn't here when it got put in storage, but it is finally in storage, so I can put my intake on. Took my lifting plate off, and unfortunately I had to wait a little bit because I ordered the wrong intake gaskets, not thinking I ordered stocks, and well, obviously the guy needed some Boss 302s, so install those real quick, put the intake on. I don't remember where I set it, but I also have a throttle body. Oh, there it is. We'll toss that guy on too, and man, it's finally the end of this video. I've been dragging out for God knows how many months now. I don't even remember when I started putting the engine transmission together. We'll get to it. All right, there it is. There is the Boss 302 intake. I believe that's a grams. Open up the instructions here. Grams 90 millimeter throttle body. That is on. Taking a sticker and a card. There it is. Engine and transmission. Fancy oil pan to work with the frame. And now the intake and the throttle body, which we're going to call it good for now because yeah, obviously I get some more fuel rails, figure out what injectors I'm going to run. I got to do some research on what the stock Coyotes are, do some upgrading I think, but I think that's it. We're going to call this the end. If you watched all the way through, you know, thank you for watching it. Leave a like, comment. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, check out the channel, stick around because this is the frame and the engine. Doesn't look like much, but this is the car. My 1972 Gran Torino Sport. That is pretty much just all the way taken apart. But until next time, I'll catch you guys later.